Are you a savvy 25-year-old eager to elevate your business using the power of social media marketing? If so, you're in the right place. In this era of digital connectivity, social media platforms are crucial for engaging audiences and propelling your brand forward. This guide will walk you through content marketing and attraction marketing strategies, ensuring your brand resonates powerfully with your online community. Let's kick it off with the basics of social media marketing. It isn't merely about maintaining an online presence, it's about crafting an image that appeals to your target audience, lures them in, and ultimately turns them into loyal customers. It's about building your brand's identity and voice in a way that gets liked, shared, and followed, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other platform. The ultimate aim is to drive engagement and to increase your reach. Content marketing is an invaluable tool in this endeavor. It's about providing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain your audience. It sounds simple, right? But it's an art in itself. Every post, blog, video, or tweet must align with your brand's message, voice, and your target audience. It's a strategic approach designed to educate your audience, not to sell them directly. This way, your content will do the talking and selling for you. Next comes attraction marketing. It's a term that may sound a bit jargony, but it's actually pretty much straightforward. Attraction marketing is all about making your brand so appealing that customers come looking for you instead of you chasing them. It's the equivalent of being the most popular person in the party. Everyone wants to know you and engage with you. Your brand should be that person, and social media is your party. To employ attraction marketing, focus on creating magnetic content that pulls your audience in. It could be behind the scenes shots, how to videos, insightful blog posts, or even fun memes that's relevant to your industry. Share stories that evoke emotions and experiences that resonate with your target demographic. Harness the power of user generated content and their influencers to further increase your brand's allure. In a nutshell, social media marketing is a game changer. Combined with content marketing and attraction marketing, it can significantly amplify your business visibility and growth. The key is to be consistent, authentic, and patient. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are digital empires. With the right strategies, your brand can flourish online and leave an undeniable mark in the digital landscape. So, just a final tip: keep up with social media trends, experiment with new content forms, and listen to your audience feedback. These will help keep your marketing strategy sharp and relevant. In the end, what matters most is not the number of followers, but the connection you establish with each one. And that, my friends, is the heart of successful social media marketing. Social media, content, and attraction marketing. So stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to subscribe and share if you found this content valuable. Until the next time, keep hustling, keep pushing, keep attracting, and have a great day.